sword. You don't know? We made in the last channel, guys. This time, it's gonna be a cool sword. This is gonna be awesome. It's gonna have also a part, have yep. And 7 blocks upper. And today's channel, we are making this. You mean this, guys? Fire gun, fire sword, like this. Not like this. Like this. And guys, hope you like this video. This was a little challenge. You know what challenge. And subscribe to our new videos. Comment down below. And hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now bye.